Hi, welcome back to City Boy Liu channel. Now this video, I'm going to show you how I service my own faucet cartridge. Now when I should service it is actually when there are water droplets started to come out from this faucet when it's in closing or it's in closed position. I do not need to get a new one. Maybe sometimes some dirt get trapped. To do that, first remove the handle. There is a set screw, 2.5 mm hexagon set screw here, down there, okay, in here. Use any Allen key, 2.5 mm, remove it. Switch off the main, remove the cap, and also the Circlip. Make sure you don't drop in directly into the sink. Then use a piece of cloth, protect the surface from being scratched by the spanner. Then all you need to do is loosen it up. And this is a cartridge, a stainless steel cartridge need to be removed from this drinking water faucet. Okay, there you go. And then you will see actually some dirt get trapped in this Teflon, I think, or a rubber. So use a tiny brush, a soft brush, to remove any dirt that might get caught in here. And then let the running water run through it. And then turn it 90 degrees. A few times left and right, let water run through it. Hopefully will actually bring away the dirt. So once you've done cleaning, hand tighten it, use the spanner to turn it, hand tighten it again so that it does not leak water. The Circlip, the spacer, and then I use the same brush to actually clean the cap. Because I see it's dirty, so I just no harm use the same brush to clean the cap. And then make sure it's pointing upwards at 12 o'clock position. Push it back directly into it, 90 degrees. The 2.5 mm set screw, hand tighten it, and then the handle turn clockwise to tighten it. Next thing I need to do, turn on the main, turn on the water tap or just faucet to remove all the air, to prevent air lock. Then wait for a piece of paper underneath and test if there's any water droplets. And if you find this video helpful, remember to press like. Thank you.